f of x equals to under root step x whole square minus 5 step x plus 6. Okay. Now see, to find the domain of this function, it is a square root function. First we need to validate inside the square root function. So we need to make it as greater than or equals to 0. So that is, f of x is defined if step of x square minus 5 step of x plus 6 is greater than or equals to 0. So here, for our convenience, put step x equals to some a. Then it appears like a square minus 5a plus 6 is greater than or equals to 0. We know the two factors are a minus 2 and a minus 3. So a minus 2 into a minus 3 is greater than or equals to 0. Two factors greater than or equals to 0, we know that a is less than or equals to least value, or a is greater than or equals to highest value. Now a means what we put there? Step x. So step x is less than or equals to 2, or step x is greater than or equals to 3. Now step x is less than or equals to 2 means what are the values we can take for x? If step x is less than or equals to 2, then x belongs to minus infinity comma 3 open interval, or in this case x belongs to 3 to infinity. Now the domain of the function is equals to minus infinity comma 3 union 3 to infinity. And students, what is another way of writing this interval? They make you, it is covering everything or not? See, minus infinity comma 3 union 3 to infinity means domain can be taken as R, real numbers. Next question, find the domain of f of x equals to 1 divided by square root of step of x square minus step x plus 6. No, minus 6 it is. Yes. Okay, those who still struggling, just check it out. So f of x equals to 1 by square root of function. So 1 divided by square root of function means it is valid only if square root of x square, step of x square minus step of x minus 6 is just greater than 0. So then factors are step of x square minus 3 step of x, or for our convenience we will write put step x equals to a. Then we will get a square minus a minus 6 is greater than 0. A square minus 3a plus 2a minus 6 is greater than 0. So a common, so then we will get a minus 3 plus 2 into a minus 3 is greater than 0. So that is a plus 2 into a minus 3 is greater than 0. Okay. So now we will get a is less than the least value, or a is greater than the highest value. So a is less than means a means what here? Step x. Step x is less than minus 2 means x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2, or step x is greater than 3 means x belongs to, the next integer is 4 to infinity. So domain of the function is minus infinity comma minus 2 closed interval union 4 to infinity is correct.
So minus 2 open.
So this one is open, sorry. So here minus 2 is open. Function sine inverse step of 2 minus 4x square. See here, the question is find the domain of f of x equals to sine inverse of something. So first we need to maintain that one in between minus 1 and plus 1. Now here the situation is step function lies in between minus 1 and 1. If step function lies in between minus 1 and 1 means what are the integral values does it takes? That means what are the integral values 2 minus 4x square takes? It takes minus 1, 0, 1. Now we need to analyze if that is the case 2 minus 4x square lies in between which two values? So minus 1 when we will get if it lies in between minus 1 comma 0 and 0 when we will get when it lies in between 0 and 1 and 1 when we will get when it lies in between 1 and 2. Like this you need to analyze at the earlier stages at least. If you analyze like that you will get accurate result. That means it lies in between minus 1 comma 2 and 2 is not included. Again I will explain students, see. This greatest integer function lies in between minus 1 and 1. Then what are the possible integers it can take is minus 1, 0, 1. Then this part lies in between. So minus 1 when we will get when 2 minus 4x square lies in between minus 1 and 0. 0 when we will get when it lies in between 0 and 1. And 1 when we will get when it lies in between 1 and 2. That means 2 minus 4x square lies in between minus 1 comma 2. If we subtract 2 here, we will get minus 3 is less than or equals to minus 4x square is less than or equals to 0. Multiply by minus sign, 3 less than becomes greater than, and here also less than becomes greater than. Now divide it by 4, we will get 3 by 4 is greater than or equals to x square is greater than or equals to 0. So we will get two cases. So this case is true always. So we know that x square is always positive. Then we will concentrate on this case, that is x square is less than or equals to 3 by 4. X square is less than or equals to 3 by 4 means root x square is less than or equals to root 3 by 2. So root x square can be written as modulus of x. Modulus of x is less than or equals to root 3 by 2. That means x lies in between minus root 3 by 2 to plus root 3 by 2. This is your solution. F of x equals to logarithm of x minus step x to the base 2. See, so basic function, logarithmic function. Logarithmic function is defined only if this bracket is greater than 0. That means x minus step x is greater than 0. That means x is greater than step x. So x is greater than step x when it is possible, you can analyze by using examples. If I take integer 3, so now here 3 is greater than 3 is a false statement. If I take x equals to minus 2, so minus 2 is greater than minus 2, that is a false statement. We will take a negative real number also, minus 4.2. So minus 4.2 if I take means step of x will be what? Minus 5. So now see, minus 4.2 is greater than minus 5. This is also true. That means what we can notice here, see, this notation is true for all the real numbers except integers. Whether it may be positive integer or negative integer, no effect. That's why domain is all the real numbers minus integers. Find the domain of f of x equals to square root of x square minus step x whole square. This also you can analyze like this type, please check. To find the domain of square root of x square minus step x whole square, we need to maintain inside function as greater than or equals to 0. That means x square will be greater than or equals to step x whole square. Now we will check different possibilities to analyze this one. I will take x as a positive integer for suppose. I will take 2. X as 2 means x square will be 4 and step of x square is also 4. So 4 equal either greater than or equal. That's why we can take positive real numbers, no problem. Next I will take negative real numbers. X square means you will get 9, and step of minus 3 whole square. Step of minus 3 whole square is what again? 9. So that means it is true. So that means it is true for positive integers as well as negative integers. We will check real numbers. X equals to some 2.5 I will take. So x is 2.5 means x square equals to how much? 6.25. Step of 2.5 whole square is 4 or not. That means here greater than symbol is valid. Okay, I will take negative values. The same example I will take minus 2.5. Then x square equals to again what we will get? 6.25. But minus 2.5 whole square is equals to what we will get? 9. So here condition failed. Check for 0 also. X equals to 0 also it is true because 0 equals to 0 is true only. So 0 to infinity we are covering all positive integers and all real numbers including 0, and negative integers only because for negative real numbers it is not valid. Such things no, so we need to analyze by using examples only. So there is no any mechanism of solving these equations. Is find the domain of f of x equals to 1 divided by square root of x square minus step x whole square only. Little changed version. So here the condition is x square minus step x whole square should be greater than 0. That is x square should be greater than step x whole square. We need to maintain this condition when compared to the previous year, equal is there. That means positive integers fails because we will get equal. Negative integers fails, we will get, so 0 is greater than 0, so no meaning for that one. Okay, so that means all integers failed here. So positive integers failed and negative integers failed. Next. So we need to maintain x square is greater than x square, positive integers fails, negative integers fails, and 0 is also failed. Then we can write the result as x belongs to r plus by excluding natural numbers.